Welcome. My name is Carrie Will-Susan, and I'm the Associate Dean for Admissions at the University of Maine School of Law. And I am joined today by Professor Charles Norkey, the Director of the Center for Oceans and Coastal Law at MaineLaw, and 4 of his students.
It's a pleasure to be with all of you. Maine has, if you stretch it out, the longest coastline in the United States. Hence, we have extensive opportunities and links from the Port of Portland, Maine, across the North Atlantic, into the Arctic. In many respects, the Arctic is a microcosm of what occurs in many of the regional law systems around the planet. And it's a great laboratory and an intense place for our students to work. Students will have an opportunity to acquire a basic knowledge of the Arctic, to delve into some of the issues far more deeply. And then the law students and the scientists will work together on a range of compliance issues, real science projects that require legal expertise before the scientists go into the field.
I was awarded one of the inaugural Arctic Law Fellowships. Eli and I were. So we had the opportunity to go study in Tromsø, Norway, which is about 200 miles north of the Arctic Circle.
I spent part of the semester in Tromsø, Norway, learning from people who work and live in this environment, and it made a very practical point of, everyday discussions. Hey, let's look outside, see what's going on.
I've worked on a number of projects related to the Arctic and oceans law, which has been really great. And it really started with being selected as an Arctic Fellow last winter. But it also afforded me over the summer to work at the New England Ocean Cluster and really look at the industry side of oceans law, some international law, which was a great experience.
I felt especially grateful to be at a school like MaineLaw because there was the option to take small courses like oceans law where there's 6 or 7 students in a class. And while I certainly still feel like I'm building the skills to be a relevant contributor, it feels like it's on its way because of the variety of options MaineLaw offers.
I took a chance on this Arctic Fellowship. It was kind of just, I saw it, I was like, that sounds amazing. And I applied on a whim. And so I guess advice too is like, if you see something strange that just kind of piques your interest, that seems a little bit different, isn't maybe what you're focused on, just go for it.
It seems like the future of international law is climate related. That's the defining issue of our time. Maine's really the jumping off point for connections to all of the Arctic.
I'd like to congratulate these 4 fabulous students because they are the very first Arctic Law Fellows in the United States. It's worth thinking to or reflecting that the Arctic is an ocean. It's a rapidly changing place, and to get to know it and understand how it is faring with these impacts is a tremendous lesson that can be applied in other regions of the world. And that's what we are giving our students.